Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well, and today in this video I will show you how to make a scene in SketchUp. So without wasting any time, we will start our video. So first you have to go on view tab, then at the end you can see the option of animation, and then add scene, and there has been scene has been added. So after changing the view and location, I will create another view scene, and yes, two scene has been created. So first I will click the scene one. Yeah, scene one has been created, and after it I will go, yeah, and then I will go to scene number one. So if you want to upgrade your scene, so you have to go, first you have to select your scene. Okay, I have selected this, and yes, it has been now I will go to view, and I will go to animation and update scene. So now I will click on scene one. Yes, you can see scene has been updated. So that's the way you can change or you can create our scene for saving your time. So thank you.